This is the 2020 BMW M2 CS. It is such a rare car that you will want this in your garage. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix. If this is your first time to the channel, we do a lot than just really cool cars. We take vehicles on the track, we review vehicles, we give you first looks, and we give you car smarts because we believe knowledge is power. Make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything. This is the 2020 BMW M2 CS. Very limited production. As a matter of fact, for this model year, it's completely sold out. This has such a demand for this vehicle because it is a rocket ship. Under the hood, you have 444 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque, and best of all, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. This is a blast to drive, and we're going to take it on the track right now. You're going to come along for the ride, and we'll take a look at it when we get back. The M2 CS has adaptive M suspension, standard M sport brakes in red, optional carbon ceramic brakes, 19-inch forged alloy wheels, a modified exhaust, and this is where the carbon comes in strong. The new roof design, the spoiler, the engine hood, the front spoiler, the rear diffuser, the mirror caps, the center console, and the door handle. That's one heck of a lot of carbon. This vehicle is a blast on the track. If you are looking for a vehicle that you're going to take out for track days, such as here at Monticello, this is the vehicle to own. You can drive it to the track, you can leave it at the track and modify it. The key to this vehicle is it sticks to the track, but on the street, it's a blast to drive as well. I can't say there's enough carbon on this vehicle. I think it's great. And also note that if you see gold brakes, that means it has ceramic brakes on this vehicle. Coming in at a total starting point of $83,600. The problem is not the price, the problem is finding one. They are in such high demand. If you remember the old BMW 1Ms, good luck finding one of those. People that have them, don't get rid of them. If you are lucky enough to get one of these vehicles, put it down below, make us all jealous in the comments. We want to start that conversation. If you wanted one, you didn't get to it, well, unfortunately, this is a one-year vehicle. So you'll have to keep that in mind. What will you buy? Write that down below as well. If you've got value from this video, make sure to give it a like and a share. And again, follow us on all forms of social media at Lauren Fix. Check out our website, Car Coach Reports, in English and Spanish. We have a lot of other really cool articles, especially if you like going on the track like we do. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time.